Frampton Marsh is one of the key sites on the Lincolnshire Bird Trail, with a coastal bird trail that runs right from the River Humber all the way down the coast down to the Wash, and with that you get a huge range of species and a big range of habitats. So you've got the mud where all the wading birds like to feed on, then you hit the coastal dunes and the scrub, and then you come right down to the Wash, which is one of the best estuaries in the whole of the country for birds and for bird watching.
One of the reasons I love Frampton Marsh is that it changes every day. From the hides, the reed beds, the salt marsh, the hedgerows, the grasslands and the pools. Things come in, things go out each day. Whether it's a whole day or just a few hours, there's always something to see.
In the winter, the estuaries hold thousands of wading birds and wildfowl. In the spring and in the autumn, because we're close to the continent, so you get some really interesting and scarce birds that time of year. And then in the summer, we have some really key breeding species as well. We work really hard to manage the habitats to make sure there are loads of birds breeding, wintering, and they've got a safe place to be. But we also want people to come and enjoy them. The Lincolnshire Bird Trail has been designed for absolutely anybody that's interested in birds. It gives you the best areas of Lincolnshire coast. It starts where the Humber starts, at Altborough. You've got a really good place to start in the spring with these dancing marsh harriers doing food passes. And then you move down the Humber estuary where you get the thousands of birds that come through and the birds start to sing in the spring. And then the Wash holds 500,000 birds in the winter, and so you have these thousands and thousands of wading birds really close to you as you come and watch them from the viewpoints. The Lincolnshire Bird Trail is for absolutely everybody. And that is such a key important part of why people come to the reserve.